Chalo, hi, very good morning. Today we'll talk about nouns. Fine. Let's start the nouns. Basic nouns. So the basic definition of noun. Anybody? Do you know the basic definition of noun? Anybody has the idea? Madam?
Noun is a place.
Noun is the name of a place, person, animal or thing. Fine? Clear? Noun किसी भी चीज़ का नाम होता है. Noun is the naming word. Noun is the name of a place, person, animal or thing. I'll give you some examples. Name of a place, person, fine.
Yes.
I'll give you examples. Place, example of a place.
Sadhan.
Jaipur. Jaipur is a noun.
Yes.
Second, person. Name,
Deepak.
Navya. Navya is a noun. Animal,
Lion.
lion,
Lion.
not lion. Lion is a noun. Thing, smartboard. Smartboard marker,
Pen.
pen. These are nouns. Simple. Every naming word is a noun. Let's talk about the kind of nouns then. Okay? There are 5 kinds of noun, 5 types of noun. First is proper noun. Can anybody tell me the basic idea about the types of nouns? What are the types of nouns?
Common noun.
The main, listen, let's talk about them individually one by one. First,
Proper noun.
common noun. First one, let's talk about them individually. First one is common noun. Common noun is a noun which tells us or gives us an idea about the category. Fine? Which tells us or gives us an idea about the category of person, place, animal or thing. Clear? Simple. Let's check out the examples. An example of person in terms of common noun is student. Student defines the category of you people. You people are studying, you people relate to the category of students. Okay? Fine. So a word, a noun which tells us about the category. Student is a category, boy is a category, girl is a category, doctor is a category. Words which tell us about the category of the people, place, animal or thing are common nouns. So an example of the category of the person is this. Fine. Another example, category of places. Jaipur is not the category. Category is city, village, state, capital. All these examples are the define the category of what? Place. Fine. Another example. Category of animal. Lion. What else? Tiger. What else?
Monkey.
Okay, one more thing. These are the basic categories, but what about the categories of, for example, if we are talking about dogs, then what are the categories of dogs?
Dog.
German Shepherd is a category of dog. Labrador is a pit bull. These are dogs. Lion, German Shepherd, Pitbull and all these things. These all are categories of dogs. Don't go for the writing. Things. What are the categories of things?
Fan, table, fan, chair.
Fan, chair, shirt, pant, marker, board. All these are
Ring.
what? All these are common nouns. All these define the category of
Thing.
things. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Table, fan, book, shirt. Clear? Now, next noun. This is everything about what? Common noun.
Common noun.
Common noun is a noun which tells us about the category of person, place, animal or thing. Examples: person, the categories is student, teacher, doctor, philosopher, principal, everybody, which tells us, it gives us an idea about the category. In terms of place, city, village, town, district, country, nation, airport, all these are categories of a place. Animal, dogs, cats, lion, everything. One more example: when you go deep into the category of an animal, for example, tiger, white tiger, brown tiger, whichever tiger it is, whichever colored, black also. All these tigers are define the category. Next, last thing. When you talk about things in particular, for example, fan, they tell us about the category. So, all these things are common nouns. Fine? Clear? Now, what is the next noun?
Proper noun. Proper.
Proper noun. When common nouns are given a name, they become proper nouns. Clear? Very easy. When common nouns are given a name, जब भी किसी common noun का नाम रख दिया जाता है तो वो proper noun बन जाता है. Common noun is clear?
Yes.
Common noun tell us about the category. Common nouns gives us an idea about the category. वो एक पूरी category के बारे में बताते हैं. When common nouns are given a name, जब common nouns को नाम रख देते हैं, when they are given a name, they become proper nouns. I'll give you examples. For example, person. What is the common noun of person? Any example? Common noun बताओ. Person का क्या common noun कोई भी बताओ. Student. But one example. Now, if a student is given a name Tanu, then this is common noun. This is
Proper noun.
when they are given a name, they become proper nouns. Simple. In terms of place, a category of
City.
city.
Jaipur.
Nahin, wait. What is this? First tell me what is this? This is a common noun.
Proper noun.
Now, Agra. Agra is proper noun. City is given a name. When a common noun is given a name, it becomes a proper noun. City is a common noun. City का नाम रख दो, give a name to the city, it becomes a proper noun. City का कुछ भी नाम रख दो, जयपुर, आगरा, जोधपुर, बाड़मेर, every name is proper noun. अजमेर. Fine. Now let's talk about what was the third category? Animal. Animal. Black Panther. Black Panther is what? What kind of noun? Common noun. But when a Black Panther is given a name, Bagheera is the name for Black Panther. Yeah, Tony, Moni, any name. Tommy. If Tommy is the name of Black Panther, then it becomes a proper noun. Simple, clear? All clear? Last thing. First of all, happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Quiet. Fan, book. First of all, listen. Things are never given a name. चीज़ों के कभी नाम नहीं रखे जाते. ठीक है? For example, you have your I card, है ना? But your I card is never given a name. Things do not have a name. ठीक है. But if they are given a name, if a name is given to the things, then we use the article the. For example, book. If a book is given a name, for example, English book is there, maths book is there, but that's not the name of the book, that's the category of the book. For example, maths book is there, maths book is common noun, but if the name is given to the book, for example, algebra, so that is the proper noun. But when things are given a name, they do not, things are never given a name first of all, but if they are given a name, we use the article the. For example, Bible, the Gita, not the name of the person Gita, the name of the book Bhagavad Gita. Fine, things are never given a name, but if they are given a name, article the is used. Fine. So two things are clear. First thing, common noun. Common noun tell us about the category of the person, place, animal or thing. Second, if the common nouns are given a name, they become proper nouns. Clear? Simple? Quite. Next thing, abstract noun. Abstract nouns are those nouns which cannot be seen and touched, but they can be felt. Abstract nouns can't be seen, they cannot be touched, but they can be felt. Abstract nouns को देखा नहीं जा सकता, छुआ नहीं जा सकता, but महसूस किया जा सकता. Air comes under a different category. Air confusing है. We'll talk about air another class. But air is a confusing word. It can be abstract also. It can be abstract also, but it also comes under another category. So we'll talk about it. No, I'll tell you. For example, air can be touched. If you are driving a bike और बहुत तेज स्पीड में चला रहे हो तो मुंह पे you can feel the air. Feel होता है air. If your fan is switched on, तो बाल उड़ते हैं, you can feel the air.
Yes, sir.
होता है, you can feel the air. So if it can be felt and it can be touched. When things cannot be felt and they cannot be touched, when the nouns can't be felt and touched, they're abstract nouns. I'll give you examples.
Happiness.
No. It also comes under another category.
Fever.
See, I'll tell you one more thing. Think words like happiness, sadness, bravery. I'll give you the basic concepts. RY, TY, NESS, HOOD, SHIP, ANCE, ENCE, MENT, URE. Quiet, stop talking. TH. Words which end with these letters, listen, words which end with these suffixes are abstract nouns. For example, RY, slavery. Slavery is an abstract noun. Gulami.
Yes, sir.
Gulami, have you seen Gulami?
Yes, sir.
No, where? कहाँ देखी है? You cannot see gulami, you cannot see slavery. You can understand कि this thing is slavery, but this is not, देखा नहीं जा सकता. Slavery is not a person. ठीक है? For example, NESS,
Goodness.
happiness, goodness.
Sir, Sangeet.
Point.
Sir, no.
Listen, it also comes under different category. I'll tell you, there is a different noun for these kind of things. I'll tell you about it. So slavery, bravery, unity, honesty, prosperity, adversity, or childhood, brotherhood, these kind of things, ship, relationship, partnership, friendship, pursuance, perseverance, independence, dependence, existence, employment, existence, measure, exposure, approval, survival, length, width, breadth, girth, these kind of words. And listen, focus here. So these heroism, patriotism, these kind of words, all these words come under the category of abstract nouns. Desh Bhakti, have you seen Desh Bhakti? You can feel it.
Yes, sir.
Feel होती है, but you cannot see it.
We cannot touch it.
You cannot touch it. So the अच्छाई, have you goodness, अच्छाई कहीं देखी नहीं जा सकती है ना? You can feel it. अच्छाई कहीं दिखती नहीं है कि अच्छाई जा रही है. Nobody can see it. बुराई also. These kind of things, badness, goodness, happiness, sadness, दिखाई नहीं देती. You can see the tears. If a person is crying, उसके tears दिखाई देते हैं, but you cannot see that the sadness is there. Sadness नहीं दिखाई देती, tears दिखाई देते हैं. You can feel that the person is sad. Clear? So this is everything about abstract nouns. Next thing, material nouns. Material word is made from the word matter. You study in science.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? Material word is derived from the word matter, which is used in science, and matter is made up of three things: solid, liquid, and gas. It can be classified into three things.
Yes.
So all the things which come under this category, they are material nouns. But only things can come under this category. सिर्फ चीज़ें ही इन category में आती हैं. All those things which come under this category and which cannot be counted. All the things which come under this category and which cannot be counted. For example, solid, iron, tea leaves, for example, iron. You cannot count iron. 5 लोहे दे दो. No, there is no word such as this, है ना? You cannot count iron. You just tell the weight or other units for this. But you cannot use it like this. 5 लोहे पैक कर दो. Give me 5 iron. What 5 iron? 10 kgs iron. Unit is there, है ना? Another thing, tea leaves or tea used in the kitchen. You cannot count the tea that चाय के पत्तियाँ. You cannot count that. If थोड़ा सा लोगे, that's a different thing. But आप 5 पत्ती दे दो. 5 पत्ती, 5 packet of tea leaves. You want 5 packets.
also.
Sugar also. These kind of things. But for liquid, salt. Very good. For liquid, juice. You can juice, water,
Water.
salt, this kind of things. But these kind of things, liquid, juice, you cannot count juice. 2 जूस दे दो. 2 ग्लास जूस होता है. देयर इज नो जूस, है ना? काढ़ा ऑल्सो, टी, जूस, वाटर. So listen to this. Things which cannot be counted in terms of things, only things which cannot be counted and which fall under these 3 categories. They are material nouns. And all the gases, hydrogen, helium, lithium, all these gases, they come under the category of material nouns. Hydrogen,
Carbon dioxide.
CO2, carbon dioxide.
Yes, sir.
CO2 is the formula of carbon dioxide. Fine, clear? Understand the concept. Try to understand the concept. All the things, material word is derived from the word matter. Listen, material word is derived from the word matter, which is classified into 3 things: solid, liquid, and gas. Things which fall under these categories and which cannot be counted, they are material nouns. Simple. ठीक है? Last 2 nouns are
Not counted.
okay, ma'am. Last 2 nouns. Collective noun. Collective noun. When common nouns make a group, it's collective. Simple. For example, an example of
Bundle.
an example of common noun. Give me an example of common noun. Boys. but when boys make a team, but when, for example, if 7-10 boys are playing cricket, they make a team, then team is a collective noun. When common nouns make a group, they make collective nouns. Another example.
The girl is dancing, make a team.
No. That's a group, dance group.
That's God.
Yes, squad. For example, I'll a very good example. Very good. For example, if some of the students are playing PUBG, listen, PUBG. So the particular player is, what do we call that? Player. Player is a common noun. Listen to this first. This is a common noun. If the common noun is given a name, Rahul is playing, he is a player. This is a proper noun. But if 4 players are playing together, they become a squad, team.
The duo.
Duo, if there is a team of 2 people, then that's a duo. So these words which are formed using common nouns, they are collective nouns. Simple. Another example. So very good. Soldier. When soldier is a common noun. When soldier is given a name, Ram Pratap is a name of, for example, soldier's name is Dhruv. Then Dhruv is, listen, then Dhruv is proper noun, soldier is common noun, but when soldiers make a team, that team is,
Army.
then that army is collective noun.
Collective.
Simple, clear? So this is everything about collective noun. When common nouns make a group, they become collective nouns. Simple, clear?
Yes.
All clear?
Bundle not.
Bundle not. Obviously using papers you can make bundles, but if that paper is given a name, but what do you name a paper? Newspaper. For example, newspaper is a common noun. But if, listen, newspaper is a common noun. If newspaper is a thing, newspaper is not a place, newspaper is not a person, newspaper is not an animal, but newspaper is a thing. If newspapers are given a name, first of all, things are never given a name. चीज़ों के नाम नहीं होते हैं. But if things are given a name, we use the article. We use what do we use? The article is used. Then, for example, the name of the newspaper is the. In Hindi, it is Dainik Bhaskar. But if you are using it in English, the newspaper's name in English, the Hindustan Times. The Hindustan Times. The Times of India. Listen, focus here. If these are given a name, if things are first of all never given a name, but if they are given a name, we use an article. Clear? But if this is a common noun, but if you have lots of newspapers, then the entire thing is called bundle. So that bundle is what? Collective noun. This is the common noun, this is the proper noun, this is the collective noun. Clear? Simple, very simple. All clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Take you back.
No, thank you. Last now. Let's talk about the last noun. Concrete noun. The thing is, listen, there was this confusion, air, music, these kind of things, you know? You had these questions, what are these nouns? But there is a thing, concrete nouns are those nouns which can be felt by your 5 senses. What are the 5 senses? Focus here. What are the 5 senses? Taste, touch, smell, hear, see. Sight, smelling, listening, taste, no, speaking, touching. These are the 5 senses. If using these 5 senses you can feel a noun, then that noun comes under the category of concrete noun. For example, listen, focus here. Air. So the thing is air. Listen. Air. When you are riding a motorbike, you can feel the air on your face. When you are falling from the second floor of your house, अगर आप छत से गिर जाते हो, so when you are coming down, you can feel the air on your face.
Yes, sir, I
ठीक है? When you are walking somewhere, when you are moving in a car, when you are listen, focus.
Running.
Quiet. When you are driving a car and if you take your head out, then you can feel the air in your head everywhere. So you can obviously feel the air. You can the air can touch you. That time when the air can touch you, that time it can be felt. That's a thing. There was this abstract noun mein there was this thing, the things which cannot be seen or touched. ठीक है? That time air. Listen, Dhruv, you had this question, Dev. You had this question. Air is an abstract noun. Sometimes it's an abstract noun, but sometimes it's concrete noun. You can touch air. Kab? But when you're driving a motorbike, when the wind is blowing fast, when you're driving a car and you're taking out your face, when you're running, during these times you can feel the air on your face. That time air is a concrete noun. उस time air एक concrete noun होता है. ठीक है? अब म्यूजिक, यू कैन नॉट सी म्यूजिक बट यू कैन फील इट, यू कैन हेयर इट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, listen, the odor of your food. नहीं, not the odor. For example, the smell of the washroom. You can see. Can you people see the smell of the restroom? No, you cannot see. Can you touch it? You cannot touch it. No, the smell. That socks is a common noun. You cannot see the smell. You cannot touch the smell, but you can feel it. No, flower you can touch. That's a common noun. But if the flower is a sunflower, that time it's a proper noun. For example, if you're talking about a particular smell, for example, you're the smell of your food, the smell of your socks, the smell of your clothes, the smell of your perfume. If you can smell it, it's a concrete noun. Listen, air. Listen, you can touch the air, but in some certain cases, for example, falling from the roof, driving a bike, running very fast, that time air is what? Concrete noun, when you can touch it. Listen, but for example, for sentences like listen, the air of his presence is everywhere. For example, the meaning is उसकी मौजूदगी की हवा. मतलब there is no word such as this, but air is used for this. उनके मतलब for example, if a person is absent, if a person is not there, but you can feel that person की मतलब वो ऐसे ही रहते थे, वो यहाँ रहते थे, उनकी मौजूदगी ऐसे थी. Sometimes you feel, for example, if somebody's grandfather dies, but sometimes you can feel कि वो यहीं बैठा करते थे, तो उनकी मौजूदगी you can feel at that particular place. आपको उस कमरे में हमेशा ऐसा लगता है. सो द एयर ऑफ हिज प्रेजेंस, यहाँ पे एयर हवा से नहीं मतलब है. यू आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट हवा, यू आर टॉकिंग कि उनकी मौजूदगी का वो माहौल. यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इसको एयर इज यूज फॉर सम डिफरेंट रेस्पेक्ट है. ठीक है? सो द एयर डज नॉट रिफ्लेक्ट दिस हवा जिसमें आप सांस लेते हो. इट्स नॉट रिफ्लेक्टेड इन दैट. सो दिस एयर यू कैन नॉट टच, यू कैन नॉट सी. नाउ दिस इज एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. फाइन. For example, listen, the wind of his valor was spreading. Valor is shaurya, veerta. The wind of his valor was spreading. उसकी वीरता की हवा हर जगह स्प्रेड हो रही थी. स्प्रेडिंग इज फैलना. The wind of his valor was spreading. उसकी वीरता की हवा. अब वीरता की कोई हवा तो होती नहीं है. But it's like he's so powerful. He's so he has so much valor that he's popular everywhere. उसको सब पॉपुलर बोलने लगे, पॉपुलर होने लगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द विंड ऑफ हिज नॉलेज was spreading. Now this is clear. Knowledge का wind was spreading. There is no wind for knowledge. But if a teacher teaches good, everybody praises him. Everybody tells us, "Yes, that teacher is very good. That teacher is very nice." So he is getting popular. अब उसकी हवा तो चल नहीं रही है ना. उस टीचर की बहुत हवा चली. टीचर की कहीं हवा नहीं चलती है. बट फॉर एग्जाम्पल दैट टीचर इज गेटिंग पॉपुलर बिकॉज ऑफ हिज स्टूडेंट्स. हिज स्टूडेंट्स आर टेलिंग एवरीबडी दैट टीचर टीचर्स वेरी गुड. सो दिस टाइम यू कैन नॉट टच दिस विंड. You cannot see this wind, you cannot touch this wind. This wind is not the wind which you feel on your face while riding a motorcycle. This is not the same wind. So this wind comes under the category of abstract noun. There are some words which are very confusing, which sometimes come under the category of abstract, sometimes comes under the category of concrete. Fine. So these are the basic things. So these 6 nouns are the basic nouns under which all the different words fall.